Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got part 2 of the bonus videos on my D-Stash giveaway. Like I've mentioned before, these polishes have been swatched. Some of them have been worn. If you are still interested in getting these polishes, then you'll just leave me a comment down below. So today I've got 9. This was a 9-piece collection that was sent to me way back when. And these were all neons. They were very neon looking when I got them. They have changed color a little bit. These were thermals. And I put them on a swatch wheel and ran them under hot and cold water. And this one still changes color quite drastically. And a couple other ones change colors a little bit. But as you can see, even in the state that they're stuck in without the thermal, they're still very pretty polishes. They go all the way up to there, I believe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, that's the last one. So from here over, these are all the polishes laying down here on the table. So to get in on my D-Stash giveaway, you must be a subscriber, you must be 18, you must live in the United States, and you must leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're interested in this collection. Most of my polishes in this D-Stash giveaway will have these color dots on the top that I've done. If you don't like these, they're easy to remove. You can peel them off and just scrape up that, we call them glue boogers, but they're glue dots. So that is what we have going on today. So leave me a comment down below if you're interested. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.